Hi, this is Saad from RentViewer, and in this video, I'll give you an overview of the Manufactured Housing Performance Playbook. I wrote the playbook specifically for MH operators, people like you who are working hard to run great communities, drive returns, and build long-term value. This is not theory. It's a practical framework you can use month after month, quarter after quarter to see how your portfolio is performing, catch risks early, and make smart, confident decisions. The ideas in this playbook have been learned from my clients who have successfully grown their portfolios in the past few years. The playbook is organized around 7 fundamental questions, and these are the questions I recommend operators ask themselves. And the way you answer these questions will make all the difference between steady, growing returns and unpleasant surprises. I've also included examples of KPIs and visualizations to make it easy to apply these ideas to your portfolio. So here are the 7 questions. Question number 1, are we profitable? I start with the basics. NOI, expenses, expense ratios, and show you how to track profitability and zero in on the assets that need attention. Question 2, are our homes and lots filled? I dive into occupancy and leasing and see if your lots and homes are producing steady income. And we also look at how efficiently you're converting leads into applications and applications into leases. Question number 3, are we collecting what's owed? Rent collection is the backbone of cash flow, and I cover how to track and improve collections, be alerted to future problems, and minimize bad debt. Question number 4, are we staying within budget? Budgeting and tracking actual versus budget is fundamental to how RentViewer adds value to our clients' businesses. I walk through budgeting, controlling expenses, and making sure expense creep doesn't erode your returns. Number 5, are we taking care of our residents? Happy residents mean stable occupancy and good referrals. In this chapter, I show examples of how to track maintenance performance, resident feedback, and your community's reputation. Question number 6, are we increasing long-term value? Smart CapEx investments can lift rents and valuations, and they can also help you retain your best residents. In this chapter, I show how to track the return on CapEx and align improvements with your portfolio strategy. And question number 7, are we telling our performance story? Finally, I cover the important information to share with investors, lenders, and other stakeholders and build lasting trust. This chapter covers waterfalls, debt coverage ratios, levered returns, unlevered returns, and more. So the playbook is organized in a useful get-it-done format. I hope you'll not just read it, but also use it and build your company's operating system around this playbook. You can download the playbook at rentviewer.com/MH playbook.